What's up guys, and welcome back to the Arco Flooring YouTube channel. It's Jordan here, and today I'm going to be walking you through a deep, comprehensive comparison of the two most popular flooring choices right now, LVP or luxury vinyl plank, and laminate. Like I said, these are the most sought after choices right now, so let's dive into how they're made, the main differences you need to know to make your decision, and the pros and cons of each one. Let's kick things off with laminate. Laminate originated in 1977 by Pergo. It was made to be an alternative to hardwood flooring. Laminate consists of multiple layers fused together under high heat and pressure. An underlayment, typically cork or foam, acts as a vapor barrier and absorbs impact. The core layer, made of medium density fiberboard or high density fiberboard, provides stability. And a high resolution 3D photograph forms the pattern layer, which makes it look like real wood. While the top coat ensures durability and protection against wear, fading, and stains, also known as the wear layer. Let's now shift our focus to LVP. LVP was developed in Ohio in 1926, but it isn't until fairly recently when LVP was more commonly used. LVP is made up of multiple layers. It has an underlayment to keep things nice and level, a core layer made of stone plastic composite or wood plastic composite, a high resolution digital image for the pattern to make it look like wood, and a wear layer, of course, for scratch and stain resistance. So now we have an idea of what both kind of are. Let's get on to the meat and potatoes. What are the real differences? In terms of differences, laminate offers a thicker feel underfoot, and it's often more affordable. Typically, a laminate will run you about $2.50 on average, but there are some cheaper options out there. Both we have on our website, arcoflooring.com, floors shipped straight to your door for the lowest wholesale price. But I digress. Now, LVP, on the other hand, boasts deeper embossing for a more realistic appearance. It's a little more durable, it's waterproof, scratch resistant, but it'll cost you a little more, typically around $3 per square foot. But to help you better decide, let's put LVP and laminate head to head in a quick challenge to see which is better for you. Appearance and texture. LVP often features a highly realistic appearance with embossed textures that mimic the look and feel of natural wood. Laminate flooring also offers a realistic appearance. However, the texture may not be as authentic as LVP, meaning if you want something that looks a little more natural like hardwood, you're going to want to choose LVP. Durability. Luxury vinyl plank is known for its durability and resistance to scratches, stains, and dents. The wear layer protects the floor from everyday wear and tear, making it ideal for high traffic areas. Laminate flooring is also durable and scratch resistant thanks to its wear layer. However, it may show more wear over time compared to LVP, especially in areas with heavy foot traffic or exposure to moisture. So if this is flooring for a basement or a bathroom, maybe a laundry room, I wouldn't typically recommend laminate. Installation. Luxury vinyl plank can be installed using various methods, including floating, glue down, or click lock systems. It's relatively easy to install and can be done all by yourself. Laminate flooring is also designed for easy installation and typically utilizes a click lock system. It can be floated over the subfloor without the need of adhesives, also making it very DIY friendly. So honestly, this is a tie. Water resistance. When it comes to water resistance, laminate is water resistant but prone to swelling if exposed to prolonged moisture, while LVP is waterproof and suitable for any room, including bathrooms and kitchens. Now, cleaning methods will differ slightly based on the manufacturer of the flooring, of course, but the main difference here is laminate requires a dry or slightly damp mopping method, and LVP is suitable for wet mopping, just because of course it has a little bit more of that waterproof technology. And lastly, cost. Laminate is cheaper than LVP, so if you're on a budget, laminate is a great option. There's nothing wrong with laminate, it's great. But if you want more realism and you want a little more protection from those dents, scratches, stains, or just have a lot of foot traffic, spend the extra money and get LVP. Overall, both floors have their strengths and weaknesses. They both offer affordable, DIY friendly solutions to hardwood floors, which can cost a ton of money. But before you go, make sure to check out arcoflooring.com when you buy your flooring, because we sell wholesale priced floors with industry low shipping rates right to your door. And we have dedicated sales reps every step of the way to ensure all your questions are answered. It's the newest and best way to buy flooring. Arco Flooring, down in the description below or in the comments. This has been Jordan from Arco Flooring, and I'll see you guys in the next one.